Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the April Boxycharm box. And in fact, I actually have two Boxycharm base boxes here. So we're going to see what's in both of them. Okay, so since I have two Boxycharm base boxes, I'm going to show you guys what's in each box. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to do a tutorial using each product. So yeah, here we go. In the first Boxycharm base box, I have the Natasha Denona palette. I believe this is pronounced Ayana. The Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. These are really beautiful shades, and I'm always surprised when I see Natasha Denona in a Boxycharm base box because they're so expensive. Do you guys know how expensive their eyeshadow palettes are? This guy actually isn't that bad. A lot of their eyeshadow palettes are like $100. This one's actually $48, which, I mean, I think is still pricey for 5 eyeshadows. Next up, we have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Ooh. Okay, this reminds me of a moisturizer that Ruben and I used to get all the time. I wish I could remember the name, but they used to sell it at Bath & Body Works, which was like really random. Wexler. It was by Wexler. If you guys know of that moisturizer, comment down below. That was the best. It just felt so like silky smooth and it really just blurred your pores. And also I used to use a primer all the time by Touch and Soul. So this is another primer by them. I'm sure I'll really like it. I'm really excited to use this. This is the Eloise Beauty Get Glaming Body Glow. Oh, this is such a nice shade. Especially in the summer when I have a nice tan, that'd be perfect. Oh, but real quick, I forgot to tell you the price of that primer. So that is $32. And the body glow that I just showed you guys is $38. This is the Lara Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick. Ooh, what is that print on there? It almost looks like an alligator print. It's pretty cool. This is like a plum purple with sparkles in it. That is $21. And last but not least, we have the Terre de Mars 008 Reddition Body Cleanser. I don't think I've ever gotten a body cleanser in a beauty box, but I'm really interested in it. That body cleanser was $22. And let's move on to the next box. Okay, so this one also has the Natasha Denona palette in it. It has the body wash, it has that primer, but we have two other products in here. Oh my god, this is really ironic. So, okay, I get told that I look like Qveen, is it Queen Herbie? Is that how you say her name? I don't know if I've actually heard anyone actually say it. I get this on Instagram all the time that I look like her. It's really funny. So this is the Qveen Studio Dragonlash Mascara. Ooh, I love this packaging. This next one is the Dragun Beauty Dragonfire Color Corrector. Is Dragun Beauty Nikita Dragun's brand? I think it might be. Also, why is my chair down so low? There we go. All right, so this is a lavender color corrector. If you guys don't know, the lavender shade is meant for like brightening, so it brightens dull skin. I'm really excited to use this. I used to use a purple primer all the time, and I don't know why I stopped. I just realized that I'm wearing a white sweater with a white background. I feel like it would be weird for me to switch it now, because then I feel like I would have to redo the entire video. I'm just gonna go with it. Now we're gonna be moving into the tutorial part of the video, guys. So I'm gonna hold up each product and then I'm gonna test it out for you guys and also show you how it looks on the face. The only one that I'm not gonna be trying out is the body wash, obviously. But I will read a little bit about it, which I'm going to be reading a little bit about each product as we go. I just didn't want to bore you guys if you were just here to see what's in my box and you just have to see me like rambling on. That's the worst. So this is an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while also nourishing with aloe vera. And like I said before, it's $22. Since it said aromatic, I just want to smell it. Heck. Ooh. Yeah, it definitely smells like almost like a rosemary floral scent, but it doesn't seem overwhelming. I'm definitely interested in trying this. I like that it's an antioxidant body wash. And now let's get into this primer. I think I'm most excited for this one. So again, show you guys. And I just want to touch this. I want to see if it's the same like texture as what I think it is from that moisturizer that I used to use. Oh, it is. This is so fun. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. It almost feels like a mattifying primer would feel like. So I'm not using like a crazy amount. I want to see how much I'm gonna need. Whoa, that was really weird. So it almost feels like, it has like that matte feel when it first goes on, but then once it's on your skin, it almost feels dewy. It's really bizarre. It has almost like a cooling feeling. I don't know, if you guys have tried this, let me know how you would describe it in the comments down below, because like, I'm at a loss for words. It feels like really hydrating. Okay, so I went to read a little bit about it, and it says, lock your looks in place and keep them cool. That's that cooling effect with icy sherbet primer. It doesn't have a scent, by the way, really, but it says this gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free, which is amazing, with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth, which it definitely does. My skin feels so hydrated. It's such a bizarre feeling. I would get this almost just to feel it. I mean, that sounded weird, but I can't wait to see how this holds up. I mean, if this is a really good product, $32 is not bad at all for how much you get in here and like how little you actually had to use. Okay, so now we have the base laid down. I'm gonna do my foundation off camera. I'm gonna come back, we'll do the concealer and the rest of the products. All right, guys, foundation is done. Now I'm going into this concealer. Right, so let me read a little bit about this guy. So it helps conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. It's saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A. It blends effortlessly and offers a customizable light to full coverage. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it everywhere. Oh, apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or a beauty sponge. It says after it sets, apply foundation as normal. So I kind of did this backwards. I was kind of going with like the new, not new trend, but like how everyone applies their concealer on top of their foundation. So hopefully this still looks okay and I don't look crazy. Okay, so I think it looks okay. Maybe once I set it, it'll be better. Okay, so I think I was able to fix it. I think it looks a lot better with the setting powder. I mean, my face looks crazy without any contour, so I'm gonna do that off camera real quick and I'll be back again. All right, guys, I am back and we're gonna try out the Natasha Denona palette. I'm trying to be really careful with this because it looks like this like silvery brown shade is a little crumbled, so I'm gonna try not to hold it up as much as possible, but I am gonna go in with this guy as a transition, and then I'm thinking I'm doing this on the inner half of my eyelid, and then this in the center, and then this on the end. I don't know, we're gonna go with it. So like I said, I'm taking that shade. This is such a beautiful shade, and it's blending out super well. I don't know if I would personally spend $50 on an eyeshadow palette that only has 5 eyeshadows in it, but I have to tell you, they are really good quality. So if you're a luxury makeup brand connoisseur, maybe that's not that crazy to spend. Let me know like the maximum amount that you guys would spend on an eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go into that like silvery color and go on the inner corner here. I just wanted to see what this looks like without using a primer. Okay, so it's very pigmented on my hand, so I probably need to get one of those silicone brushes. Here we go. Oh wow, that's a beautiful shade. I can picture this looking amazing on top of, if you were to do like a dark brown smoky eye and top this on top of it. Oh. Then I'm gonna go in with that gold metallic right in the center. So this is just a really soft gold. I think for the dark brown, I'm almost gonna do like a cat liner with that. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, I think this is going well. I've been really into doing the eyeshadow wing lately with just like a darker brown. It just gives it an overall softer look, like soft sultry. I really like how this eye look turned out, and I also swatched the palette for you guys in case you wanted to see how they look on my hand. Next up, we have the Qveen Studio Dragonlash Mascara that I showed you guys. Instantly create the look of lash extensions with Dragonlash Mascara. This lash doubling, voluming mascara lengthens and separates, giving you a flirty, intensive black lashes. Dragonlash Mascara is a semi-permanent, high gloss black tube mascara. Wait, semi-permanent. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes. So they don't smudge or flake, plus they're easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during the removal. Okay, so I've had a lot of mascaras like this in the past, and I don't typically like them because they do say that they won't fall out into your eye, but I do notice that throughout the night they will kind of crumble and they'll just kind of flake and yeah, they go in your eye. But I'll give her the benefit of the doubt. Maybe this one is different. But I mean, when I've used them in the past, they are amazing. They're extremely lengthening. So I'm up to find out. I definitely like it, and I focused it more on the ends here to give it more of like that flirty effect. Yeah, I like it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated to see how the long wear goes, but yeah, it's cute. All right, and let's see. So this lipstick, I don't know if I really want to wear it. I'm just not really into this color. Maybe I'll just put it on just for you guys. Okay, so this is the Lara Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. And like I showed you guys before, it's like, it looks like a purple base and it has like, kind of like blue and gold glitter in it. I don't know, guys. I'm definitely not into like holographic or like metallic lipsticks. So this is not for me. Yeah, I wouldn't purchase this. Let me know what you guys think of metallic lipsticks or like iridescent-y kind of lipsticks. It's just not really my thing. I don't think it's like a getting older kind of thing. I think it's either your style or not. But let me read a little bit about it. Okay, so this lipstick is $21. It says artisan baked pigments and rich moisturizers saturate lips with creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. The curved bullet shape allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high impact wear. Last but not least, we have that Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator that I showed you guys. So I am just gonna swatch this on my hand. I'm not really wearing anything that I could really put this on because this is like a body glow, but this is the swatch on my hand. Feels a little greasy. It gives you that nice wet look, which would look great if you're wearing a bathing suit. Like if you're going to like a crazy pool party or something, I think that would look amazing, or even just to the beach, like over top of your sunblock. But I think that would drive me nuts with how sticky it is. It just feels like kind of like a lip gloss. I know a lot of people who don't mind that texture, so that's probably just kind of a me thing, but just wanted to let you guys know. And it doesn't, I don't think it has a scent, and if it does, it's very little since I can't really pick up on it. But yeah, I think that was everything. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. These were both of my Boxycharm base boxes. Let me know what you guys get in your box. I know you guys are always really excited about the Natasha Denona palettes, so I'm glad I was able to swatch them for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Did I already say make sure to like this video? Like this video if you liked it, that really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.